Will AI render the human artist obsolete, or is it actually the key to unlocking unimaginable artistic frontiers? Forget everything you thought you knew about creativity. For years, we feared AI would steal our creative souls. But what if AI is the most revolutionary new tool that instantly brings your next breakthrough idea to life? This isn't a distant threat, it's happening right now, transforming everything from Hollywood blockbusters to your home studio. We are on the brink of a revolution, and we're diving deep to find out if this technology is a friend or a foe to the very soul of human creativity. Welcome to NIS JKT Discovery. Today we're diving into a topic, one that is reshaping the face of our world, our power to think, and the very future of creativity. Part 1: The Dawn of AI-Assisted Art. Mind-blowing showcase. Look at this hyper-realistic portrait created in 10 seconds, or this symphony composed without a single human note. We're not talking about simple filters, we're talking about complex, breathtaking creations. Is this just a cheap trick, or the start of something monumental? The core dilemma. This brings us to the immediate question: when you see this, is it collaboration or replacement? That's the core dilemma we're here to explore. AI as a tool. We must introduce AI for what it truly is, a powerful new tool. It's not here to replace the artist, but to act as a revolutionary brush, akin to how Photoshop or synthesizers completely transformed art and music in their early days. The art world always adapts to its tools. Part 2: AI as a creative amplifier. Specific examples of co-creation. Let's explore tangible examples. Human artists are already using AI to generate hundreds of style variations instantly, brainstorm novel, impossible idea combinations, and handle tedious tasks like color correction or asset creation in minutes instead of days. Democratizing creativity. This technology democratizes creativity. It enables more people, from hobbyists to small business owners, to express themselves and execute powerful visions without needing decades of traditional training. The barrier to entry just shattered. The sophisticated muse. This is the idea of co-creation, where AI acts as a sophisticated, tireless muse. Think of it as an interactive, infinitely responsive sketchpad, potentially turning a 2-week project into a 2-hour sprint. Part 3: The shadow side, diminishing returns? The risk of standardization. We must address valid concerns. AI's potential to standardize creativity is real, leading to a flood of generic, derivative, or aesthetically safe works. If everyone uses the same engine, do we all end up painting the same picture? Ethics and copyright. We also face critical ethical implications. How do we define originality and copyright in an AI world? And how do we ensure the fair compensation of the human artists whose lifetime of work trained these models? Atrophying creative muscles. Finally, the psychological question: will over-reliance on AI atrophy crucial human creative muscles? Will we lose the difficult, rewarding work of pure ideation, deep problem-solving, or the emotional struggle that often fuels true innovation? Part 4: Reclaiming human ingenuity in an AI world. The uniqueness of human input. This is where the human artist reclaims their power. AI cannot replicate deep personal emotion, lived experience, intuition, genuine vulnerability, or the authentic desire to tell your specific story. AI can generate images, but it cannot generate purpose. Innovation through rebellion. True, disruptive innovation often comes from breaking rules and challenging norms, an act of purposeful rebellion. This is something pure pattern matching AI fundamentally struggles with. It can only iterate on what it's seen. A human can invent the unseen. A challenge, not surrender. Therefore, viewers should see AI not as a reason to surrender their craft, but as an invitation and a challenge. It's time to push human creativity even further, to find the spaces the machines can't touch. Part 5: The Future of Human Creativity, a Symbiotic Relationship. The Synergistic Loop. We forecast a future where humans and AI work in a synergistic loop, each elevating the other's capabilities. The human provides the why and the vision, the AI provides the how and the scale. Evolving definitions. The definition of creativity itself will evolve. Perhaps the skill won't be in the execution, but in the prompt, the curation, and the ethical direction. The artist becomes a director of potential, not a mere renderer of pixels. Closing challenge. The frontier is exciting, the tools are here, and the only limit is your willingness to step into this new, exhilarating chapter of human creation. So, what are you waiting for? Stop viewing AI as a threat and start treating it as your partner. Go explore. Subscribe to NIS JKT Discovery right now for more deep dives into the future of tech and creativity. How will you begin to co-create your future? Thank you for watching.